Ross Clyde. Man, y'all can see the rain. Yes, it's raining over there. You heard me? And everything that touched the ground gonna turn to snow. You heard me? It's real out here. I just seen the car go through there, and I'm talking about number water came up. So, yes, it's gonna freeze. If you ain't got to be out here, don't be out here. You heard me? It's real in the field. You dig? I'm just going to the car to get my, what's the name? It's crazy out here, man. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, it's a beautiful snow day. I can deal with that. You feel me? But, hey, man, y'all be safe out here. You heard me? It ain't no pain for me today. Probably not tomorrow neither, because the temperature's going to stay at the same rate, and it's going to rain all day. You hear me? The temperature's going to stay right here. You dig? And it's going to rain all day. So, yeah, man. It's beautiful out here, man. You dig? So, y'all be careful. Y'all be careful, you hear me? I'm finna go back in the house. Baby, cooking breakfast, you heard me? With one of my favorite 2 pieces she got on, you heard me? So, yeah, I'm finna go enjoy that. Sit back and watch, what's the Jeffersons, you heard me? And drink me some, mushroom water, you dig? And then drink me some drink all day, you heard me? Because we ain't going nowhere. She cooking later on, yeah. Call my lawyer. J-Mail Price is in the building. It's out. Hold up.